Happy Mardi Gras! Okay, so what are we doing today?
Mardi Gras.
Okay, but I mean, like, what's our plan? Obviously, we're doing Mardi Gras.
We don't have a plan. We're just out here.
Daiquiris first. And then after daiquiris, are we gonna try and do up down?
You want to go that way?
I really don't want to go.
We can go that way. Let's go there. We'll see how far we make it, and then we can always go to Metter
because it's the easiest thing. Okay, begin.
I just finished my daiquiri. In my life?
In your life.
I'm 27 years old. That's a lot. I think when I passed out on St. Charles, Avenue in a butterfly chair, and I woke up right as the next parade would start, and it was like halfway through Zulu, I got too drunk. I passed out in my chair, put a blanket over my head. My mom gave me some electric light water, and I woke up correct and just woke up and was just like, what's up? We're here. We're here. Let's do it.
Giddy up, 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 giddy up. I got horses in the back, trunk in the front, exterior red and that inside buttercup. I got what you need, I got what you want, I got what you need. Tell them giddy up, call her whoop, cause she poppin'. D4L, that's no option. She my one and only lover. So much fun, 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 like I'm Thugger. Giddy up, fill my cup, cheddar cheese, Velveeta, put in work, double up. I can't waste none of my time, so stop clogging up my line. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.
I come and go like a rah rah rah. They don't want the two be going nah nah nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a round round round. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the popo. Remember when we did it for life? Was noticing all these frames got me trimming a knife. Always on some new thing like riding the bike. Let's do things in one setting, but I don't feel like selling for the time being. When I was young I used to dream about the palm trees. After the summer achievements I got a long sleeve. Supposedly, think about it, in reality you running out of options. Starting to see the coffin with the Bible preach. I'm way ahead on a private beach. My hair bleached on the cover of a magazine. I got the flavor doing push-ups on the...
To porta potty or not to porta potty?
When I tell you I don't know if I'm gonna make it to that porta potty, the porta potty
review
was so clean. Look, I don't know if you ever been to New Orleans porta potty. On Mardi Gras, on Mardi Gras day, you are in a cesspool of shit, piss, semen. You don't know what you about to get. I'm so serious. I went in that porta potty. I was able to squat. Do you know how hard? Do you know how hard it is to go to the bathroom and not be able to squat as a woman? You have to kick your leg up, do all kinds of like tantric shit, right? That one, I squatted. It has tissue in it. It has tissue in it. It had hand sanitizer. I was like, wait a minute. My pink pearls though, bitch. Bitch, almost died. We almost died. That's how I protected us. Thank God. I've never done a Metairie Mardi Gras.
Really?
Never done a Metairie Mardi
Oh,
Gras.
I would have done better then.
Get the gag. Get the gag. Stop moving, JC. Get the gag. Get the gag. Get the gag. Get the gag.
Uh-oh, here we go, here we go. Oh yeah.